So, good morning. Today is 25th of July. After many days, again, I am doing journaling because the number of trades has been reduced, and I am trading, means taking the trade which is having the highest probability of win. So, let's start the day of journaling. So, the first trade only, not first trade. Every time I miss Tata Motors. This is the fourth time I missed Tata Motors. Here was the cap up I missed. Here was the perfect setup, and it was perfect, but I, because of laziness, and I forgot that I will take Tata Motors. A swing position here, SL will be here, and target will be here. But unfortunately, and within a single day, it gave almost 1:1, 1:1, 0.9. So that's the mistake I did again. Every time I'm missing Tata Motors. It's very unfortunate to say, but because of my mistake only, I missed this Tata Motors. Okay, what to do? This was a very big mistake. So now let's the journal of cryptocurrencies. So this was Bitcoin, and let me make first yesterday's journal. So yesterday, not yesterday, also day before yesterday, I took this trade in Ethereum. So in 4 hours, it was forming this triangle kind of pattern. So market was struggling to go up, and also I checked this highs. So this one higher high, this one higher high, but this one lower high. So market was not so confident to go up, and also one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, upside five touch, but in downside one touch, two touch, kind of three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, then breakdown, went up, then again breakdown. So here also I did one mistake, not mistake, I planned, but I failed to execute as I planned because BTC was showing that it will go much up higher. So let me show you BTC. So at this very moment, why I missed the trade in BTC, means not missed, I didn't take, means my limit order was right here. I trailed it up till here, negotiating with the price from this high to this low, not this low, this low. It was 50% retracement area. So I kept an limit order entry here, but I failed to execute that, and I took a market buy here. So it started to go little up, but then it came down. But I didn't book anything. I hold on to the position. I kept my SL right above this one SL area, one SL area, another SL area. So market will come little more higher. So I kept my SL here. So let me show you BTC. So see, this was why I was not so confident to take the limit order in Ethereum, was this one, BTC and also BNB. One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, and then breakout. So before that I took an entry here. I will show that one. So this was a rapid means breakout, but to go down market needs buyers because their SL will be down. So it trapped the buyers even though it was so much strong. It went above this also, but it didn't cross this one. So from that only it started to reverse. So even if I have see, and this one was support and it took a support, so I was not confident, but according to rules, when it started to go down this line, I could have executed, but because of not formation of a proper pattern, like a doji means a candle, then doji, then reversal, that one was a perfect setup, but it was not like that. If this week was little bit higher, what I mean to say is, suppose this is, if this candle is like this doji, then I would have executed it perfectly and kept my SL above this area. Above this area is the maximum area, and then a target. So candle formation was not good, that's why I didn't trade this one, but before that I traded. So let me show you that now. So, and also I said Ethereum BNB, right? BNB, see, BNB was more perfect. That's why I was not so confident. One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, six touch. After that, a breakdown came. Okay, accumulation and then breakdown. So what happened? I think I took a trade. No, no, and also it gave a breakout. But what happened here was, see, it grabbed the liquidity. So liquidity grab done. So now market will tend to go higher, but instead of going higher from this, I only it started to fall, and I executed my limit order, not limit order, market order here, and also this bullish candle formed, and also that's why in like 5 minute time frame. So let me clear this, make it clean a little bit. Aha. So see, this is also a good support line, right? One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, and then breakout, and then this pin bar candle formed. So I took a entry here. See, this is the reason why early entries are dangerous. It might work, it might not work, but as I took an early entry, next candle only started to go down, and so fast it went. My psychology got corrupted, and I was supposed to take a trade in reversal side here. That one also, and another thing, because of margin issue, the trade which was up means before cutting my SL, I was taking another trade, so that was the mistake. So cut the SL first. I was trying to hedge, but it was not happening because of margin issue, and it started to go down. So I thought instead of buying it here, let's wait, and this much big candle formed, so market might go up. So I took a trade entry here, and I'll kept an SL like here. So let me show you the risk reward, but because of my greediness only, I missed another. mm, I think I kept my SL here. Okay, let's, so see, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.6. If little bit down also, oh, almost 1 is to 3. I got, see, the risk was 50 rupees. When I saw it was 92, means it has shown me like $1. So I was too greedy that market will continue to fall. so I didn't follow my risk reward. And see, the thing is, when I am trying to grab big, that time what happening is I'm missing this 1:2 almost move. That one I am missing out. So that was a mistake. So book small profits are better than big losses. So if I kept my SL here, see, the liquidity hunt happened. So that's why don't be too greedy. What market is offering, take as per the system and leave the rest. So if I would have taken a $2 risk and 1:2, so I would have gained 1:2 means $4. But what I earned was 33 rupees, means 44 means 400 rupees instead of 400 rupees. Okay, let's keep 100 rupees instead of 100 rupees. Because of greediness, I got only 33 rupees. This was a perfect thing because trap setups are working, but the thing is, it is not going too much down because you can't control the market. Market will move as its of its own choice. So don't target too much big. Always keep your target within limits. Then it will be a very good setup, and you will earn more than losing. And here also, hmm, this setup also, I, because of mistake and trap trading in my mind. See, what happened was this was also an early entry setup. So this was the trend line and this was the above trend line. So what happened? Market went up and shown the seller's volume, and then it started trying to get down. But what happened was this selling hunt, means seller hunt, was, means buyer hunting was good. But what happened? BTC also broke out of its channel and then it started to give a good move. So my target was here. My SL was like one stop loss here. My SL was here. So it was a good trade, but because of my mistake only, I didn't execute it properly. Always trap trading. So it was my mistake. Part of game. You need to accept that. The faster you accept your mistake, the greater trader you will be. And I also took this trade in 15 minutes. One touch, three touch, four touch, but it didn't go higher. Instead, it started to come down. So the bigger the trend line and bigger the numbers of candle, the better the setup it is. Like here, from this range to this range, it is like 342 bars in 15 minutes. So 62 bars. That's another thing is, when I was trading like this, that I will take a trade which is having a minimum of 100 bars. That trades were more profitable. So, need, so the thing is, you need to, means market teaches in the hardest way possible. So from here till here. it is 150 bars. That's why it worked perfectly. What perfectly? It was supposed to go up, but it trapped the buyers and then came down, liquidated. Then it started to go up, but again it liquidated and came down. So what I missed this setup. See, this setup now it is coming in front of me. This was the setup which I missed. See, this is the falling wedge kind of pattern, right? One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 10 touches. So how much SLs means how much buyers are trying to hold on to this level. So I could have easily sold here. See, this is a breakout, right? I could have sold it here also and kept my SL. This is a breakout, same side means my SL will be here and my target is where is the volume profile. So this one will be my target area. So see how much perfectly it acted. So 1:3 easily I would have got if I have means trading higher time frame, because see this is higher high, but oh, this is higher low. That's why trade higher time frame, higher time frame, higher time frame, and higher time frame. And okay, that was BNB. BTC. I saw this kind of this one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, and then breakdown, and also formation of lower high. So means market will go down. And also I planned this trade by, but I didn't execute because already Ethereum means I am holding position in Ethereum, so my risk management will be little bit tough. So if market doesn't work out as I have predicted, then I will be lost, right? One touch, two touch, three touch, and see from this top to this bottom, it has retraced to this golden retracement area, and from that it has came down, and from this top to this bottom it also went to this 60 or 61.8% retracement area, and then it came down. So that's why wait and observe and take only the setups which are visible in very higher time frame, like in 1 hour, at least 1 hour. Don't trade below that. So that was the cryptocurrency part. Now let's do forex part. So currency. Hello. So DXY. So higher time frame I was trading. So this was DXY, and I took a trade here. My entry was here, my SL was here. I exited a few quantity like here, and then when it started to reverse, I exited another quantity here. So that was DXY. The reasons for this trade was this trend line breakout and this trend line breakout. So market might go higher. Euro shift. So trade the trade that I took was like this. I took an entry here, sold it somewhere here because I was not seeing the strength, but this was the perfect setup. 1 2 3 and then breakdown, trend continuation from this to this, from this top to this bottom. It is at 38.2% retracement area, means it is in strong trend, but I missed the, means I forgot to execute this one, and see, it went very nicely. So the target will be 50%, not more than that. 1.64, it is okay. And if I am keeping my SL small, 2.56. So that was Euro chef, and another trade I took in Euro JPY. So this is 4 hour time frame. I took only here. This was a pattern, this was a support. From this top to this bottom, it was 50% retracement area, and from this top to this bottom, it was at almost 38.2% area. So I exited here, and then market retraced back, and I forgot to see the higher time frame. So in this higher time frame, one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, fifth touch, and then breakdown. So either I could have executed like that, or from that to this point, or like this point. So another thing was this big trend line breakdown, and before that only accumulation happened. So my SL will be right there, and entry will be here, and I will target this resistance area, 1:2.36. And another trade was, see, this one I didn't see, means I saw, but I didn't trade because I was not so confident. So this one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, and then breakdown, retest also done, but I didn't trade because I was not confident, and I thought it will give a breakout. And another is EuroCAD. So yeah, EuroCAD is running till now. So this is breakout, this is breakout. So entry could be here, one touch, two touch, three touch, and then breakout. And SL could be here, and 1:1.65 if I'm targeting this top. If I'm targeting more than that, then 1:2. This setup I was not confident, so I didn't trade. So that's why only see higher time frame, leave forget about smaller time frames. Higher time frame has higher probability of profit, and uh, and what say, uh, smaller time frame means more trades, more psychology fucking. That's why it is better to trade only larger time frame trades. That's it for today. Yeah, that's it only. Thank you. Bye bye.